Hello everyone, it's Josh, the auction entrepreneur, and today I wanted to bring you another quick tip video. I wanted to talk about managing your books, the income, the expenses. You really have to do that for tax purposes. Of course you want to know how your business is growing, if you're profiting, if you're losing money. All that stuff is really important in any small business. So I want to show you a nice little app that you can install in eBay for free. It's called Outright. It's a plug-in or an app that you can get from the App Store. It's free, right on eBay. So if you just Google search, Outright eBay app, you'll find it. It's this right here. It's finance and accounting. That's the category that it's in. But it'll allow you to organize your finances and prepare for taxes. So you can manage your income, you can manage your expenses. It'll help you know, if you're profiting, if you're losing money. All these things, are definitely important. You can manage things like mileage, expenses. When you're first starting out, you're really not thinking about those things, but it's definitely something that you want to keep in mind. As your business grows, you're going to have to get that stuff situated. So it's nice to have this app. It really keeps track of everything for you. Keeps track of your sales, keeps track of your shipping cost, your income. You can go in there and manually add things in, and it will also scan your PayPal account and pull in information from PayPal. So it's real handy. It's free. Let me just show you a couple screenshots. So it's got some nice graphs in it. It's got, it'll have like a quick snapshot of your bank account, how much you have. If you want to link that, your PayPal account, how much you have in there. Money in, money out. It has reporting. Tells you how much you're spending, on utilities, travel. These are all things that, if you are making a small business out of this, you need to keep track of these things for tax purposes. If you're making so much a year, or if you're reporting to the IRS, they're going to want to they're going to want to, tax your net profit. So this will keep track of everything so you can actually figure out what your net profit is. And if you don't have any expenses, business expenses, then they're going to take more. So you want to keep track of your mileage, your gas, if you work at home, your office space, your cable, it's part of your power, part of your rent. All that stuff can be expense. So at the end of the year, you're not going to have to pay out as much to the government for your taxes. So this really helps keep track of all that. And it will actually, the free one won't do the tax part for you. The free one just keeps track of your income, your expenses, things like that. I think it's around $10 a month or $100 a year, and it will actually generate a tax report for you, which is definitely worth it if you're that big right now and you need to do that. It's definitely worth it to keep track of that. It's much easier than QuickBooks, because with QuickBooks, I don't know that you can link it to eBay or PayPal. I think PayPal, but I'm not sure how it works exactly. So this will read your PayPal account. It'll scan everything, pull everything in, so it makes it real easy. And as far as PayPal goes, I was looking it up here. If you're making $20,000 or more a year, which is a lot, that's definitely a good little business, and you process at least 200 transactions, then PayPal is going to automatically report you to the IRS. So they're going to report you to the IRS. You need to have this information so you can properly file your taxes, and definitely it's just something you want to have in place. Start thinking about this. Start thinking about keeping track of your expenses, keeping receipts, keeping shipping receipts, everything like that. You want to have all that stuff. You want to go by the books, so when tax season comes, you can be prepared and not have to pay as much out with all your expenses. So again, the app is called Outright. It's a free eBay app. So definitely check it out, guys. Hope that helps. Hope you enjoyed this quick tip. you can definitely check out my website, my blog, subscribe on YouTube. Thanks, guys.